Hey,
Hey,
so how you been?
I've been good. Some to work, but good. How about you?
Not as good as you, but I'm alive.
Well, you look really good to me.
I wish how I looked on the outside was how I felt on the inside.
Mish, I'm sure you'll be fine. What? What's up?
First of all, I want to thank you for agreeing to see me. I thought you were done.
Done? No, Mish, that's not possible. I mean, I was hurting, but as I say, time heals everything.
I never, if I hurt you, I'm sorry. That wasn't my intention. I just wanted to hide certain things just to protect us.
It was more putting me in harm's way. I mean, having the knowledge would have made me more prepared.
I know that now. But can I ask you something?
Sure.
Why you decided to come to me?
Because, Mish, you sounded like you needed someone to talk to.
And what about my husband? You're not afraid that he would say something if he saw us together?
No, no, Mish, because I'm prepared. And Mish, I'm not afraid of your husband, you know. It's just that he caught me off guard.
You have been a source of comfort for me since the months we've been together.
So are you, Mish. So are you. What's happening with you, Mish?
A lot. I don't even know where to start.
You have to start somewhere. You look really pressured.
Maybe it's not a good idea to dump on you. I don't want to put you in the mood that I'm in.
But you called me here to talk.
Yeah, but we can talk about other things. I just wanted to see you. Wanted to feel that sense of calm, sense of release.
Alright, well, here what? Let's do it over a couple of drinks. What you having?
Well, I'm quite fine. I don't need anything running through my system. It's there, warm up his bloodstream.